Hi everyone. I decided to try out Edmodo. I hadn't heard about it until this class, so I wanted to check it out, see what it was. I found out it's really easy to sign up as a teacher and a student. I signed up as both just to kind of see the difference. So as a teacher, I connected my Google account to it. I always tend to do this. I think it just makes it a little easier in the long run. Anyhow, as you can see, this is the homepage for the homepage for my classroom. A homepage looks a little different. It would just have this post on it that you can see right here. There is a way that you can also network teachers on this website. However, I'm looking at it from the lens of using it as kind of a classroom social network, so I steered away from that. And I do want to just say and put on record that I do look at this as kind of a Facebook for your classroom. It just really reminded me of it and gave that vibe of like posting and the students are able to reply, you're able to reply. It is actually kind of cool. So if I go to my personal profile, I've created a mock third grade classroom, as you can see up here. Privacy wise, I am a fan of this part of it. The students can't get in unless they have this class code over here, which I would probably have them sign in during class and give them the code during class, so it's very private. They're not writing it down anywhere, just to make it easy. You're able to see the members in your class. You're able to see the folders, which you can add your own files to. You can add Google Drive files, anything like that, which I think is really cool. And you're able to see posts, so you can make little posts. I do want to also point out that parents have the option to join this as well, but they have a separate page and they also need a code to sign in. And I believe, if I've read correctly, you can message them privately, kind of like a class dojo, if you will. You'll also notice you can create assignments, quizzes, and polls. There is also a gradebook option on here. I don't know how kosher that would be with some school districts. I know a lot of school districts have their own gradebook system, so I don't know how that would go, but there is that option on this website. So going over here, I also made a student account just because I wanted to see kind of the difference of it. So in order to see, so we start up here. I made an account in Sally Jones. They have their little profile up here. A big downfall for me is they do have to sign in with their full name. I didn't try just using a last initial, but maybe that would be okay. You do not have to provide an email for them, which I really like, and I was thinking I'd probably include just a really easy password that all the students have, just so I could keep track of that and they don't have to worry about remembering a password. So they can see the post that I made as long as they're signed into my classroom, and then they're able to respond like I did with this. Again, really, they can like the post, do whatever they want. Very Facebooky. I don't know a better way to put that. So, in all, I'm not 100% sure that I would just use this. I definitely think it would be a great addition to the website that I've created. My only concerns really lie with the signing in with the student's full name. I do like how they don't put the last name, and even on the post I can see, Sally J. It's not their whole name. I do enjoy that. The only other thing that I would complain about is I don't like how it uses my whole name. I did create this specific class called Miss Eggleston's Third Grade, but every time I post it says Olivia Eggleston posted to this. It's a little thing. It may just be me being overly picky, but I think I would prefer it be like Ms. Eggleston, but there wasn't that option because when I signed in, it needed your first and last name, and Ms. wasn't an option for the first name. So a little frustrating on that, but again, it's not the end of the world. It wouldn't completely deter me from using this. All in all, I do like it. I don't know if some school districts would allow you to use all of the things it provides as far as using the gradebook option, even if they would allow the students to use it and sign in for it. So it would be very school district dependent, I feel like. But overall, I really like it. I hope I do get to use it with students one day because I think it would be I think it'd be great for all grade levels, high school and middle school included, but I think it would be really awesome for younger kids, and it would start getting them into the habit of not the habit of using social media, but teaching them how to use social media, what's respectful, what's not, how you'd be a good digital citizen, your digital footprint, all that good stuff. So that is my take on Edmodo. Thank you for listening.